Hello friends, behind me is our amphibious excavator on the exhibition. This is our pontoon and carriage. Beside it is another amphibious excavator. Upper load we use famous brand XCMG. In front of me is a pile driver. Our river brand pontoon. Such big pontoon to bear the big hammer for concrete piles. Today we cooperate with China's famous brand XCMG, combined with our river brand amphibious pontoon and carriage. We are the two strong and famous brands in China, so we work together to provide our customer best amphibious excavator, and with our factory-made original hammer. More will be updated later. Thanks for watching.